Do you ever wonder what really happens when the police get called to a crime scene? Well, here's a glimpse into the world of forensic science and crime scene investigation. Number 1. Securing the scene. First responders, usually the police, are dispatched to the scene. They look for potential evidence and begin creating a preliminary theory of the crime. Their first priority is to secure the area and ensure everyone's safety. Detailed notes and sketches are made, and sometimes even 3D scans are created. It's crucial to document everything before touching or moving anything. They establish a perimeter with tape to prevent contamination and limit access to only authorized personnel. 2. Initial walk. After the scene is secure, lead investigator will do an initial walkthrough to get a sense of the scene. Here, forensic scientists use their expertise to examine things like DNA, drugs, ballistics, and digital data to provide crucial information for the case. 3. Documentation. The next step is to thoroughly document everything. This includes taking photographs and videos of the entire scene, including close-ups of any potential evidence. These reports are used by investigators to build a strong case for prosecution. In some cases, the investigators themselves may testify in court about their findings. 4. Evidence collection. Now it's time to collect the evidence. Once all the evidence is collected and analyzed, investigators use it to build a timeline of what happened. They may consider things like entry and exit points, the position of the victim, and the placement of evidence to piece together the sequence of events. This may include things like blood, fingerprints, weapons, or other personal items. Taking their statements can help investigators reconstruct events leading up to the crime. Any biological samples, fibers, or trace evidence is collected using proper techniques to preserve its integrity. This could include fingerprint experts, blood spatter analysts, ballistics teams, and more. In some cases, they may even call in anthropologists, entomologists, or toxicologists. Each item is carefully bagged, labeled, and logged to maintain the chain of custody. 5. Interviews and statements. While evidence is being collected, the officers may interview witnesses, neighbors, or anyone else who was present at the scene. 6. Forensic specialists. Depending on the nature of the crime, various forensic specialists may be called to the scene. 7. Reconstruction of events. 8. Transport and lab analysis. After the crime scene is complete, the collected evidence is transported to the lab for analysis. 9. Filing reports and building a case. Finally, all the findings from the crime scene investigation are compiled into official reports. So the next time you hear about a crime, take a moment to appreciate the incredible work that goes into investigating these cases and bringing justice to those involved. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and comment below with any suggestions for future videos you'd like to see.